Today we'll talk about how can you disable new comments notifications on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When just click here on profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then you just click here on notifications, just click on it, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just come here to new comments, you just click here in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's on here. That's mean here new comments notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.